Okay, now I'm going to show you how you should clean your mirror or glass products, okay, at your home. When you clean, you don't need any chemical stuff, chemical products, whatever. You just use water, already enough, okay? This one wet towel and this one dry towel, okay? First, you clean with the wet towel. Don't be too wet. You squeeze it, okay? Squeeze some water. And after that, okay. And after that, you use the dry towel. Just dry it. So, after you've done that, you will never ever see any watermarks on the glasses, on the mirrors. That is the right way to clean your mirrors and glasses things. All right. Yeah, so you don't need any chemical products to clean, especially clean glasses, and another chemical product, especially clean the tiles, another chemical product, especially clean some silver stuff. Actually, everything in your home, like very easy. Some old carpet, toothpaste, some old toothbrush. That's all.